Ambassadors from Palau, Tuvalu, and the Marshall Islands, Taiwan's 3 diplomatic allies in the Pacific, come together in Taipei to showcase their cultures with song and traditional dances. This is the first time the 3 Pacific Island nations have held a joint cultural event in Taiwan, emphasizing the importance of cultural diplomacy.
The culture of exchange is important because culture makes who you are, and who you are makes you decide who you want to be friends with. And between these 2 cultures, we see the closeness, the similarities, and it makes it easier for these 2 countries to have this tight relationship.
It was also a celebration of diplomatic relations. It comes at a time when China is working to expand its influence in the Pacific and curb Taiwan's diplomatic presence there. Amid Chinese pressure, several countries in the region have cut ties with Taipei in recent years, switching recognition to Beijing. But here, Palau, Tuvalu, and the Marshall Islands say their support is unwavering.
Our 3 countries stand proudly and steadfastly in friendship with the Republic of China and Taiwan. We reaffirm our support for Taiwan's meaningful participation in the international community and express our sincere appreciation for Taiwan's valuable contributions to global development, humanitarian assistance, public health, technological innovation, and regional prosperity.
The event drew ambassadors from Taiwan's other diplomatic allies, the director of the U.S.'s de facto embassy in Taiwan, as well as Taiwan's foreign minister. Taiwan President Lai Ching-te was also there, pointing to important cooperation projects like advancing smart medicine in the Marshall Islands, helping build an undersea cable for Tuvalu, and hosting joint maritime rescue drills with Palau. He says by working together, the countries can help maintain stability in the region.
We are all maritime nations. The ocean defines our heritage. Beyond cultural roots, we also share the values of freedom and democracy. For many years, we have supported one another and worked side by side. Together, we contribute to the peace, stability, and prosperity of our region.
The event also comes as Vice President Bi Khim Hsiao is heading to Palau for a state visit to strengthen diplomatic relations. She will meet with Palauan President Tserengo Whipps Jr. and review the progress of projects they're working on together. So, an important time for Taiwan's relations with its Pacific allies that say they will stay committed to Taiwan.
Komodada from the Marshall Islands, Fakatafai Lassi from Tuvalu, Mesu Lang from Palau, and Sheshe from our beautiful second home here in Taiwan. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the day.
Justin Wu, Scott Wong, Ting Ye, and Cadence Quaranta for Taiwan Plus.